Hi, guys. I am Selena and welcome to our online video presentation for SeedXDet, a cereal seeds recognition API. More details you may find on our website here. But for now, let us just start. Agenda. What is SeedXDet? Which are the benefits? How to use it? Input and output JSON strings. Pricing packages. What is SeedXDet? SeedXDet is a cereal seeds recognition API powered by artificial intelligence and powerful cloud infrastructure. Target audience. This API is meant for IT developers which are making apps to recognize cereal seeds in a close-up photo taken by a camera. Domains of using it: grain seed sorter cameras for automatic agricultural seeders, automatic grain silos, etc. Which are the benefits? Automated process. All processes are automated. You just have to follow the required rules for getting a high accuracy reading. Easy to integrate in your apps. We have multiple sample source codes presented on our website written in different programming languages which will help any developer to easily integrate the API in the apps. Chat support 24/7. If you have questions or need some help, we are glad to quick answer you and offer the best we got. You own commercial copyright. Call our API in your apps and feel free to sell your applications without any extra fee. How to use it? Register a new account on our website with real data. Log in to our website, go to pricing and click on Try It Now blue button. Construct your input JSON string as instructed. Send post request with your input JSON body and required headers to our API. Get JSON response from our API which contains recognized cereal seeds from close-up photo. Process our API response and use it as you wish in your apps. You own commercial copyright for use our API. Input and output JSON strings. You have at the left side the input JSON string which contains the input close-up photo as base 64 encoded string or as URL from the web. At the right side you have the output JSON string which contains timestamped predictions of cereal seeds made with certain probability score as you may see here. Pricing packages. Common features. Unlimited devices. Get cereal seeds tag in one close-up photo. Get confidence score for recognized cereal seeds in the close-up photo. Administration console. Premium support through online chat and/or tickets, very supportive help and quick responses. For the free 7 days trial you have 50 daily requests, no copyright. For monthly and yearly tiers you have 10,000 predictions per month, commercial copyright. Monthly tier as $80 and yearly tier as $816 with 15% discount included. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am Selena and I am looking forward to visit us on our website here. Have a super nice day.